Wake up, child, and make your life unforgettable.
So I did. I stepped out of my comfort zone and made adventure my new reality. I want to experience the unknown, something new, something remarkable, I thought. I want to just do it. Time spent and lessons learned. I continue to surround myself with the right people for me. It's human nature wanting to explore. I want to climb mountains and free myself from all the weight I carry. Because each glimpse of freedom is worth so much more than any penny in my pocket. I want to create unforgettable moments, experience with the people that mean the most. Moments that turn into memories and never forgotten. I love to create things like this, or that. I want to be creative in my kind of way. There will always be hard times. And then, there will be times like this. I want to be able to say, I danced under the Nordic lights and experience the unbelievable places the world has to offer. I want to hold untouched nature in my hands. I want to ride on wild horses, just lose myself, to feel the adventure, discover myself in a new way. I want to feel what it is to be free. Grandpa, you're going to be proud of me.